The Twitter grid widget shows your Twitter posts in a fancy grid formation with the help of Element Pack plugin. Let's get to know how it works. For the layout, you can choose the number of columns on the display. Select column gap if necessary. Adjust the row gap into something suitable. You can limit the number of Twitter posts on the display. The switchers below are responsible for showing or hiding specific item on the display. Just flip those on and off and see for yourself. Moving on to the Style tab. You can select a background color from the Items section. Place border around the posts to give them a stylish look. Go for border radius to bevel out the corners of the border. You can also customize the avatar by border, color, and padding. Let's match their appearance as same as the post border. Nice!